How to do flip flicker effect. To begin, I added a video and an audio to my timeline. First, hold down the Alt key and drag the video to above track to create a duplicate from it. Then go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your original video. First, hide the top track, then select the original video at track view 1 and go to Effect Controls and uncheck the Uniform Scale, and set the scale width to -100 to flip the video. Now unhide the top track and use Alt and scroll wheel in the mouse to zoom in. Move the playhead to where you want the effect to start, and use Razor tool to add a cut. Use the right arrow key to go one frame at a time and add cuts to the top track. Now hold down the Shift key and select the even parts and press Delete key to delete them. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.